Yatha Drishti Tatha Srishti. Hello everyone, this is Dipti Verma in front of you, and today I'm just going to tell you about the science versus religion and the scientific reason how we can say Yatha Drishti Tatha Srishti. हम कहते हैं भागवत गीता का सबसे सबसे महानतम ग्रंथ जो है उसमें एक महान लाइन है यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि. हम जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा ही होता है हमारे आसपास. तो वैसे कैसे होता है, मीन्स व्हाट इज द साइंटिफिक रीजन बिहाइंड दैट. You may have that thought that how it happened. So today we talk about this. So I'm going to talk about the nervous system, and we know that the structure and function unit of nervous system is neuron. So today I'm just going to tell you about the structure of neuron and how neuron takes place, that the transmission takes place, electric signal takes place, and how our manifestation takes place. So today I'm just going to tell you about it. So if we talk about the structure of neuron, so in the neuron, in between there's a nucleus and there's a dendron, axon, and in between the two neurons there's a place, there's a space, and that space is known as synapses, or we can say that synaptonemal complex. So in that synapses there's a chemical reaction which takes place. So for example, if the signal from our mind is going throughout the body, so what happens? From the sensory neuron to motor neuron, from motor neuron to sensory neuron, how we do the reflex action, how the reflex action takes place. So whatever the energy, whatever the signals we are propagating, so in between the two neurons there is a space, there is a place that is known as synapses, and in that synapses there is a chemical reaction which takes place, and all the reaction is because of the hormone. So there is a role of hormone. So what happened? Whatever we have the thought, whatever we have the aura, that positivity or negativity which are surrounded by us. So what we do? We keep on manifesting. We do the manifestation, and according to our manifestation, the chemical reaction takes place, and according to it, the hormonal imbalance or balance or chemical reaction takes place. In this way, we can say whatever the thought, whatever the ideas, whatever the manifestation we did, it keeps on propagating. If we have positive thoughts, we will feel positive. Our body will feel positive. If we have negative thought, so we have the negative vibes. And another thing, you might have heard about the telepathy signal, how it happens. Suppose that I'm thinking about a particular person and that person makes me call. If I am doing the manifestation for that person and that person makes me call, he or she is also thinking about me. How it happens? That happens according to the frequency. What is the frequency? If we talk about the electromagnetic radiation, or we talk about the quantum physics, so we had kinds of waves, and wave nature is dual nature, that is the particle nature as well as the wave nature. So if we talk about the wave nature, so in the wave nature what we did, we had a graph, and that graph keeps on fluctuating, having crust and trough. So in between the two places, two consecutive thrust and two consecutive trough, there is that place is known as, or that portion is known as wavelength, and the number of vibration which keeps on changing per second, that is the frequency. So if whatever the frequency I am having, whatever the frequency another person having, if the frequency keeps on matching, then our vibes will match. Then we will find a partner, then we will find a companion, then we will find a person whom we love, whom we aspire, whom we inspire. So this is the psychology behind it. I hope that you learned something from it, and if so, then keep on giving thumbs up. Thank you.